Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are still merging multiple CSV files manually, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you a quick and easy tip. So let's get in. So the first thing we want to do is open up the location on our device that our CSV files are in. So I've got places and I've got names here. These are both saved as CSV files. So if you right click and go ahead and look at properties, you will see that it is saved as a CSV file, right? The next thing we want to do is tap the one file, and we want to click in this box at the top over here that shows our path, and we are going to now just say Control and C, and we're going to copy that path. So from here, we're going to go ahead and hold in our Windows key and tap on the R, and this will bring us up the Run menu. And in the box, we're going to type in CMD, and that will open up our command prompt. Now, let us just make this a bit larger, and this is what we're going to type in here. From here, we're going to type in CD space, and now you are going to paste that path that we copied earlier on, and you're going to hit enter. Now, right from here, you are going to type in copy. We're going to have a space there. We are going to use the star or asterisk, and then we're going to say .csv, and we are going to make a space, and we are going to now enter the name of the new file that we would like to create. So I'm going to call it combined, and you want to give it an extension CSV because we are creating a CSV file. You're going to hit enter, and you can see over here it says combined names places, which is what we saw previously on our file, and it says one file copied, and that's where it's at. So if we go back here, you can now see that this has both this data as well as this data over here. And if you have any more CSV files within this folder, then of course it will copy all of that and merge it into one file over here. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you in another amazing video. Cheers.